So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on this hair makeup tutorial that I have done for you guys. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. Y'all been requesting it, so I'm getting back to the essence of my channel, okay? No more drama. We don't got time for that, all right? So hope you guys enjoy this video. Please watch to the end. Comment below and let me know what type of videos you would like me to do, what type of looks. You know, this is real simple. I feel like anybody could do this. A little quick, simple, cute summer look. You know, it's a vibe, but whatever. You know, I'm just so extra. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Remember, thumbs up, comment. What I have for my face is the Milk of Magnesium. This right here is the holy grail for me, okay? Because I have oily skin. But when I use this right here, just, you know, just makes my foundation so flawless. And it just keeps my skin from getting oily during the day when I have my makeup on. I love it. So yeah, I'm going to go on to foundation. So right now, I am going to be using the Revlon Color Stay foundation. I start off by just placing the foundation all over. So, foundation is on. I feel like it's blended to my liking. I wanna love you. I wanna live it up. Feel the same. Go in with this Tarte concealer. This is a concealer that I actually mixed with a Sephora concealer, but it works for me, so we're gonna get into it. So I like to just put it right here under my eye. Then I like to just let it dry a little bit. I should start from the out. So I'm gonna be looking in my mirror, but matter of fact, I'll look up a little bit before I start looking down into my mirror. Come on, put it. I'm going to use some setting powder by Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the color medium deep. I'm going to take this sponge, just going to dip it in, and I'm going to actually look right there. And just pat it in. Same thing with the other side. I'm going to use this to contour with. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in the color Mocha. Take this big brush right here. Swirl it in. I'll go under here. Now we're gonna use some blush. This is my favorite blush palette. This is by NYX, the Sweet Cheeks palette. So what I like to use is these two colors, this color right here and this color right there. here. This is my favorite one. This is in the color Bronze. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hill highlighter palette. And I had this for years, okay? This is right here. This is my favorite one. Close here with it. Use this Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown at the corner. So, little brushes, and I just dab it right up in there like that. Some mascara. So do mine. This eyebrow pomade is from this is from Maybelline's called the Tattoo Studio. This is in the color I think it's in the color Ebony. I'm not too sure, I can't remember. But obviously I lost the top to it. All I like to do is take it out and just spread it across on my hand like this. Get it, you know, real loosened up or whatever. So now what I'm going to do is use the crown case. I'm going to use this color right there. So let's get into it. So both wings are on. Now I'm just gonna place my molds, and I love my molds. So I just always place one right here, right here. Let me see. Right there. One right here in the middle. So I'm going to line my lips. Going to put my lashes on. This is from the Style Pack E-Class. This is from the Lash Pack of 5 in the Style E-Class. But I'm currently sold out, so yeah. Put these lashes on. Lashes is what's going to complete the look. I'm telling y'all right now, these is my favorite lashes, okay? I have other lash styles available, but this right here, I rock out with these every day. These are like my everyday go-to lashes for sure. Once I'm done, I'm going to spray some setting spray. One thing about putting the lashes on, you have to wait until they are tacky, okay? You can't just put the glue and put it on your lashes. It's not gonna work. The camera cut off when I was putting my lashes on. So now I'm about to go ahead and put my other lashes on, okay? So yeah, it's just so annoying. This is why I haven't been doing any videos like that, because there's no room in this damn phone. I gotta go through all this just to fucking record. That's why I've been recording live. So we're going to just let this one get tacky. I'm gonna fan, blow, whatever. This look is a cute, simple vibe. I'm about to do my hair. I'm about to do a swoop, and I'm gonna have it flipped. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I could just pop it on and be alright. Let me squeeze it down together. Let it dry. My eyes get watery when I put my lashes on, so I'm gonna take this hydrating setting spray by Il Makiage. I'm gonna just spray my face. Just let that sit. I kind of feel like this could be a vibe too, though, but kind of want it that way, so I'm just combing it out. Now I'm going to hold it, bring it around that way. Then I'm going to take I'm going to use my flat iron from Stay Pretty. Put it on. I'm going to put some flips in my hair. I want flips. The flips that I want. So I want my flips. Trying to give y'all a vibe. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish flipping up my hair, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna come back with the finished look, okay guys? Because my camera keep cutting off. It's not gonna let me record for long, okay? So I'm gonna be back. And this is the vibes. This is the final look. So if you want more tutorials, let me know, comment below if you like this look, if it's a vibe. I feel like this is a cute little summer look, you know, okay? So rocking with me, support me. I love y'all so much. Thank you for tuning in. I'm getting back to the essence of my channel. You know, no more drama. We don't got time for that, okay? I'm getting back to these makeup tutorials for you guys, these hair tutorials, all this good stuff, okay? I have a lot in store coming, so just rock with me.